All right, guys, we're here with another exciting episode of Y'all Made It, We All Gonna Skate on It. So we got this box here, and we're gonna open it. What in the heck? A box inside a box. Oh. Ski-board. If there is another box.
You want a box?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's actually something in there.
There's a sticker that says, thinking about Thanksgiving. Whoa! Yeah. Whoa! That is sick. That is extremely sick. Hey Braille, this ski board was designed by me and my friend, and I made it out of Atomic Beta version 8.2s that I got for free.
Whoa.
It is very durable and functional. Me and my friend are from Utah, and skiing is a big deal there. We have been skating for a while, but now I mostly longboard. I hope you enjoy it. Instagram at EWEBVT and at CAMINCAR. Kamincar. Ski the East. That's sick. Let's give him a hand.
Come on, guys, give him a hand.
So, I guess let's throw some trucks on this bad boy and let it rip. This is incredible.
Holy nut.
This is what I wanted to take to Tahoe. We should put bindings on this and take this to Tahoe and see if it rolls.
Bad idea. Worst idea yet.
You think so?
No.
Definitely was scary.
I think we've conclusively proven you can skate anything. Truth.
If they're skis, you gotta break them in right. Oh God.
Oh
dumb
yeah,
idea.
let's do it.
Oh no. Please no.
Scary.
Well, the board goes to the right or left, so now I gotta lean to the left. All right, here we go. No, that's good enough.
That's amazing.
All right, now let's do some stuff on this. Look at this thing. Try flip first shot. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is interesting. Are you asking me to kickflip? Because I don't know how well this is gonna go.
Yeah.
Okay.
First try, Instagram famous. No! Second try. It's so hard, there's no tail. The tail is like an anti-tail, snail tail. Woo! Man, that was big. Wow. Okay, get this. This is what I figured out. See, the tail is like really, look at that. Look at how far it goes up. So you can't flip it like a regular thing. You have to flip it like early and harder. Dang it! This might be the hardest thing to kickflip ever.
I don't think it can be done.
Hi, I'm Aaron.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, hello.
Hi, who are you?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Try two!
I don't think it can be done.
Sometimes you just need to scream, you know?
Do it. I should have known that he was gonna do it.
Fetty's like forming it really well. He's a skier. Your bad attitude. Get it off the hill.
We need a skedaddle.
That was ice cold.
Straight to the ground!
Oh!
All right, tray flip off. What?
I figured it out.
What?
This is the hardest thing ever. Every time. It's just very hard.
Can you try flip it real quick?
Straight into the Braille house, straight to this. Carlos, we've been waiting all day.
Whoa, hey. Hey, that's funny, I just got off the BART right now, so.
You got this. Tray flip, first try.
Straight to Tahoe. No! What is he doing? Wow. Fetty's face, it looked over at me.
I didn't even ask, I just jumped on and started skating. What is it?
It's skating.
I feel like it'd be easier off something.
Oh yeah, 5-star, 10-star, Braille drop.
There we go.
This is to the gram. I just want you to know that.
Straight to the ground?
I need more runway.
The progression of the tray flip on the ski board.
Think about main Braille, I never know what I'm walking into.
Wow.
So all I gotta do is just flick that front foot. Oh, come on.
Count it!
Well,
As good as it's gonna get. Spread eagle.
now what do we do? Carlos getting buck.
Dude, that is way harder than I thought. This is my plan. I was gonna get on my board, warm up for like 10 minutes. Right when I got through the door, it's like, nope. This.
Bro, how long you been skiing for?
This is my 15 minutes of fame. I'm done after this. I don't know how I got that first one up there.
Count it?
Oh, that's it.
It didn't work. I don't get anything that he does.
His name is Carlos, and that's pretty much all that I know.
He just hops off, he's like, I'm done.
We out here. Game SK8, Rochambeau.
Ah, you guys suck.
I don't know what the heck to do.
I had a feeling he was gonna do it.
Oh darn, this
Get
one.
it. Oh my god!
Okay, never mind. Can I get a redeal?
Yeah, I read it. I was expecting a kickflip, but I'm glad he kept it simple.
Skiing is life.
Wow.
I popped the tail.
Chicken.
Crunchy.
Why does it turn? I hate it. I can't do this.
Now just go straight. Yeah, I had to figure it out, dude. I was skating like 20 minutes straight.
Carlos was just like, and then it worked.
No slide?
I guess.
About time.
I didn't pop.
Rebate.
Can I quit?
Oh! What?
But I think it was Nigel's turn.
Well, we're just gonna count it.
Count it.
Defense.
Stationary?
You do you.
Kick the guru right here. Alright, alright. Well, I'm out.
That was amazing.
How do you do it on this side?
I think he's the only one who dabs this stuff fast.
Fatty, do you need juice?
Oh no, game over.
Yet another game where Carlos wins.
Carlos wins. It's our favorite game at Braille.
Don't chase me again, please. My leg hurts, I can't run.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching that video. This was really, really, really rad. And like they said, it didn't break. It did not break. You make it, we break it that didn't break. So if you guys have something to make that's creative as cool, or maybe not as cool, or maybe even more cool than this, send it to us in email form with pictures and a full description of what it is. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. We would love to see your submissions. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys yourself are learning how to skateboard. Get skateboarding made simple. It'll really help you. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, brailleskateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.